Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. We're dropping a new video. Kind of a cold start, you know how we do. We got a cool truck. It's an 07 F350 1-ton short bed outlaw package. They only made this truck 1 year in 2007. While there's not a lot super special about it that makes it stand out from being a black fully loaded Lariat, is that it came with that red stripe. And the wow factor, boom, black and red leather seats and a full black interior. So similar to a Harley Davidson, fully appearance package only. But it's an 07. We're down here in the West Bottoms giving it a cold start up. We did our pictures, so trans is warm, engine's cold, as per protocol. Truck fires right up. We do have a trailer brake control fault. I have not looked into that yet. Miles are 272,868. So she has a handful of miles. What can I tell you about this truck? Well, it is a Texas truck. It has no rust. Oh, let's get the tunes. We got a nice set of tunes. It's a well taken care of truck. A lot going on. Sony head unit with a backup cam. The cam is not working though. Nice cold AC. Boy, it's hot today. What is that? I don't know. Get the temp out here, I guess. I thought the temp was on here. Maybe not. It feels about 100 degrees outside with humidity. It was raining this morning, so. Truck runs and drives amazing. No check engine lights. Full tank of fuel. Everything works as it should. Good oil pressure. Good everything. It checks out on a scanner. Truck has a new H-pop OEM motorcraft. We put it in, resealed it. There's no head pressure. 6.0 runs amazing, guys. You know we're thorough. We go through them. All the options on the Outlaw: four-wheel drive, parking sensors, rear power slider, sunroof. The sunroof is inoperable. You can tell there's some stuff going on with it. Some pieces like this cable here bent. I don't know if you can see that on my finger. So the sunroof, it needs some service. It is not working. It's all there. I don't see any signs of leaks or anything. But is what it is. Sunroof inop. I'm calling that right now. And like I said, you saw in startup, it had a trailer brake fault. I don't know why trailer brakes turn on and work. It's got the auxiliary switches. You know, it's a really nice truck. It's got some miles. It is studded and deleted. It's got a 60-gallon transfer tank. It does have 270K. It's out of Texas. Texas title. No rust. But 270K, it's not perfect. It's not flawless. We got some mail in here. Got some paperwork in here. Let's see what we got. I hadn't even checked this out. I didn't even know this was in here. It's like we're gonna have some receipts. Let me turn this music off here. Ooh, here we go. 600 bucks. A receipt right there of some service that was done. I'm not going to read it all right now, but it looks like injectors, O-rings, some stuff like that. What else we got here? Sorry guys, I honestly didn't even know this was in here. I'm just looking around. 600 bucks. Coolant leak. New radiator. Coolant flush. Basic stuff. Guys, bear with me. We all need to know this. $5,600. Woo! What do we got going on this one here? $5,600 done on. Let's give me some dates here. Why can't I find dates? 4/11 of 19. This has got to be our stud job. All joints, everything else I see on the first page. There it is. I'm trying to put this up so you can see it. Bear with me. It's not focusing well, but spindle, bushings, gears, fuel hose, adapter clamp, gaskets, exhaust leak. Well, there's a lot of work on there. I think there's got to be more receipts here. Bear with me, guys. It's taking forever, but this is a good find here. $1,000 AC fan motor resistor on 2018. Radiator cooler. Chirp and control, whatever that is. And they keep going on. So thousands and thousands of dollars in receipts. I'll get to them, I'll scan them, go to the website, a16diesel.com. I'll scan those in on the website so we can get a little more further in detail. Let's pop out, pop the hood, check, walk around. I mean, guys, 272K, the condition's not perfect. No rips or tears. We had the seats fixed. We got the red leather fixed up, the black leather. It looks good. It's not ripped up or torn up, but it's got 272,000 miles. So please don't come expecting a new truck. That is on the rubber, but there is a little moisture. That's not super rusty, but it has started on the smallest level. It's really clean though. This truck was in Texas, so it's not a rust bucket. But that doesn't mean Texas is perfect. And that doesn't mean trucks don't travel. Stock under the hood. Everything looks good. Proper coolant level. No pressure at all in that hose. Good batteries. Zero blow-by at all. Under the hood checks out. AC's cold. And like I said, we went through it, serviced it head to toe. Motor is primo on this truck. Front end, all new ball joints, tie rod, drag link. It is all brand new suspension, alignment, leveling kit, Harley headlights, tinted windows. We're sporting a 20x12 Cali Summit off-road wheel, black and red milled on a 325 Terrain Pro amp tire. 325 60/20 LT 10 ply. We put a 60,000 mile warranty on these tires, so 60,000 miles, they're good warranty through our shop. 3-inch leveling kit, brand new. All 4 shocks, performance off-road upgrade, brand new. It does come with black PT and mirrors. They got some rock chips in them. You know, we did our light upgrade like we always do. Let's kick those on. We love these. DRL switchbacks. They blink amber, but they're white DRLs. Sharp looking mirrors. Factory oval style running boards, lariat command, enter. And I got a lot of people ask me, the combo for this, it's up under there. Hop on YouTube, they'll show you how to find it in case anyone else out there has one and is wondering. Texas truck that did come with working heated seats. They never use those in Texas. They always work real well. You know, the body's not perfect, guys. It's not rusty, but it has little chips, dings, you know, normal wear and tear items. Use a little cleanup in the back seat. We try to clean them up good, but you know, we're not detailers. Not a lot of bad to report. I mean, little chips, you know, like stuff here from whapping stuff when you're towing, or it actually looks like a belt touched it when they reach into the truck type deal. Low profile toolbox, which I believe is a 60-gallon transfer tank, naturally fed. And it's got a nice little toolbox on top of it. It ain't huge, but I believe the key's on the key ring for that. We also have a 5th wheel setup with a gooseneck plate, so you can pull your 5th wheel camper, gooseneck camper. You can tell this bed has been worked out of its whole life. I mean, look at it. I can't lie about this one. I can't hide it from you. 270,000 miles. It shows the most in the bed. And I mean, it's a truck. That's kind of what we buy it for, guys. So tailgate, it's got a little, you can see it coming in the light over here. It's got some dings in it. It's not flawless. I'm gonna try to show you everything. There's a couple little creases in the bed up here. We put new black smoke tail lights on, black third brake on. It's got a painted rear bumper. It's got the trailer package. The hitch is included because it's locked in, so you got to cut it off, get yours on there. As you can see, a little more damage right here. Very minute, but a couple fingers worth in there. It looks a little crumply. And then right there, you're going to see there's a bit of a crease. I'm sure it can be pulled out. I'm not a body guy. I don't want to mess with it. It's not terrible. I'm sure the reflection's making it look way worse than it is, but there is a little dent there. When I back up, you really can't tell, but I'm showing you guys right now. Like I said, Texas truck. Let's check it for rust. I kind of skipped over that. No rust. Just what you want to see. Very nice Texas frame. Let's check the cab corners, because I missed that driver's side, but usually I don't have to worry about these Texas trucks. They're flawless. Look at it. 4-inch exhaust with muffler. So it's not super loud, but it sounds good. It's got a little rumble to it. Got the all-season mats. Got the fold-out metal trays. The guys, all in all, the miles are high. The body's a little beat up. It's a little dirty, you know. But other than that, you are looking at one heck of a nice studded, deleted Outlaw. And these trucks are hard to find. You guys look through my YouTube videos. I've been doing this a long time. This is my first one. And it comes with a handful of great modifications. Double dim, backup camera, lift kit, wheels, tires, service, blacked out, transfer tank, all the receipts. You add this up. If you don't really know and haven't done these things, I get it, but we're talking like, you know, 20 grand worth of stuff here on top of a truck that's already worth 15K stock. But you guys have seen it, you know it's cool, you can tell. If you've watched this long, head over to 816diesel.com. On the website, pictures, VIN number, pricing, everything I covered today, receipts, it will all be on the website. So 816diesel.com, check it out. If you got any questions, anything, my name is Cameron. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri. Hit me up, call, text me, 913-735-3748. Let me know how I can get you in this truck. If you got any questions, I'm happy to help, guys. It will sell fast. Clean Texas title in hand. 816diesel.com. Thank you for your time, guys. Please like and subscribe.